How to add music on WhatsApp status. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add music on WhatsApp status. So let's dive in. So first open your WhatsApp app and on the bottom you'll see this list. On this list, click this updates option. Once you click it, you'll be on this interface and here you have to click add status over here. Just click add status. Now once you click add status, it's going to bring you to this interface, and on this interface you have to click this music option. You'll see many options over here. You have to choose music. Once you click this music option, you'll be able to see a list of music and you can search for songs or artists in the search bar if you want to choose another one. Just click the search bar and search for the music of your choice. And if you want to listen it before uploading, you can click this play sign over here. And if you want to upload it, just click over here. So here you can see I have now added this music over here, and now you can choose a layout for it over here by clicking these options and then click done. And once you click done, it's going to use that layout for your status. And now you have uploaded this music to your WhatsApp status. To add it, you simply have to click this arrow over here and you'll be able to put the music onto your WhatsApp status. And that's how you add music to your WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching.